It's a beautiful day at Resorts World, which means one thing, it's a pool day. Let's go check it out. Okay, so Cody happened to pick the spot right where the speaker is, so hopefully I don't get in trouble for any copywritten music. But essentially the pool area, there are 6 pools down here. It does open at 9 o'clock. I usually suggest you get down here right away because the pool areas usually do fill up pretty quick. Not gonna lie though, we've been down here for quite a bit now and there's lots of chairs available. Like I said, there's 6 pools around, so you have your options. So you're sort of in the middle. Each pool kind of has their own vibe. There's a kids pool, there's, you know, more quiet pools. There's a pool that's just for the Crockford residences. There's also the IU Day Club, which, yeah, I'm definitely not going to be going to that. I'm much too old for that. But yeah, that's another option of somewhere to go to. I will also say, because of the way that the sun sets, sometimes where the buildings are set up kind of ruin the pool experience because, like, it'll kind of block the, you know, where the sun's coming from. But the way that Resorts World has it right now, the way the sun's like coming up, the pool area is mostly in the sun, which is nice. There's a couple shady areas, and of course, if you do want to be in the shade, you can rent a cabana or, you know, sit by one of the bars or something like that. There is service as well, which you can scan a QR code and have them like deliver food, drinks, things like that, which we're definitely going to be doing shortly because I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. So we'll check those out shortly. I should also mention that the pools are heated, so, you know, especially on the colder days, I'm pretty sure they are open all year round as well. So if you do want to even come here in like December and pop in the pool and everything, you're totally able to do that. There is a hot tub also available in one of the areas too, so you are kind of spoiled for choice. All right, so there are servers coming by offering drinks. I lied about the QR code. It is not a menu. It just goes to the website. I don't really know what the point of that is, but anyway, there are servers coming by, so you can get like drinks, food, things like that from them. Unfortunately, food doesn't start until I think 11, and we got here pretty early, so I'm pretty hungry. We got some. They've like 3 different kinds of Dole Whips. One of them is called Shock the Monkey, and there's some like peanut butter and banana or something like that in there. She kind of wanted us to get it, so we got it. So let's see what it's all about. All right, so more bad news. Apparently the Dole Whip machine doesn't start working till 11, so even that we can't do. So we're probably just gonna hang out actually for a little bit, get some sun, and then just maybe go grab breakfast because I'm still pretty hungry. Okay, so good news. You managed to find the Dole Whips. These are the Shock the Monkey ones. I think it's like a strawberry Dole Whip with like peanut butter and stuff. Oh my. It's different. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it's certainly different. Anyway, cheers. Alright, so just got back from the pool at Resorts World. So like I said, we are staying at the Conrad for this particular end of our trip. So we did just do sort of like the main pool area. All in all, good pool day. Like, I was a little disappointed that they weren't serving food and certain beverages before 11 o'clock. Luckily enough, our server was able to find some Dole Whips for us before 11. But yeah, just I guess keep in mind if you are looking to maybe get some food or you're hungry or you want your, you know, stuff like that, I would maybe suggest doing that before you hit the pool just to be on the safe side. They seemed, and I don't want to encourage you to sneak stuff in there, but they seemed kind of lax about people bringing in stuff. I didn't see them checking bags. I didn't see them, you know, checking if you know, I saw people walking in with coffees and other drinks and stuff. I didn't see them saying anything to anybody, so I don't know what the rules are. Usually they say that no outside food or drinks at the pools, but yeah, they didn't seem to be stopping anybody. So just, you know, take that information as you will. I'm not encouraging anything. I'm not saying to bring anything in, but just take it as you will. All in all though, the water was nice. It was nice and it was heated, so it was nice and warm. Not too hot, but it was nice and warm. It was nice and relaxing. Music wise, very top 40, you know, The Weeknd, Dua Lipa, you know, Ariana Grande, that type of stuff where you're gonna hear, you know, just top 40 type music. So yeah, just all in all, just a fun, just relaxing, good day at the pool.
The next day.
Okay, so we are in like the, I think, Athena area, the Athena pool or something like that at Resorts World. I was always told there was nowhere to really sit here except for by the bar, but I mean, there's plenty of beds and, yeah, like day beds and like little cabana areas that you can just use. Apparently, you don't even have to rent them. So we're kind of just hanging out here. There's an infinity pool here, which is really cool. I do wish the view was a bit better besides this construction site in front of us, but I'm sure that will be changing in the next little while anyway. But yeah, so far so good. We had to get our token Dole Whips. These are the actual Dole Whips this time, not those weird Shock the Monkey or whatever we had the other day. These look very boozy, very yummy. They look a lot better than the ones we had the other day yesterday too. So, nice fresh pineapple flavor. And there's the rum. We're gonna enjoy these in the sun. Honestly, you guys are sleeping on the Resorts World pools. Like, the pools here are really, really nice. There's barely anybody here. Like, I don't know what's going on. Did we come at a quiet time? Do people just not go to the pools here? Are people only here, you know, on business? I don't know, because we've been here a couple times now. And again, we have the view, and I never see anybody down here. So we're gonna chill. I'm gonna get in that pool. That infinity pool looks really nice. All right, so the water is like a perfect temperature. Sometimes you go to the heated pools and it's like too heated. This one is perfect. Just nice and relaxing. Barely anybody in this area, so barely anybody at the pools. I honestly don't understand it. I think that one of the bartenders said that it should pick up probably around May. But yeah, we'll see, because we're here in April. Hopefully there's some room when this video comes out, but we are here in April, so yeah, technically I guess any context, but the weather's been really, really nice the entire time. I love this infinity edge too. Again, I do wish that like right there, you know, there was maybe a bit more to look at, but otherwise it's gorgeous. Alright guys, just showered after being at the pool for the second time. Just gonna give you a really, really quick recap because I kind of kept you guys up to date along the way anyway. So we did actually end up going to go to the Athena area of the pool. Probably one of my favorites. Music was really good. It was not quite top 40, but songs that you would probably recognize still. Whereas the main pool, you're gonna hear a lot more like Rihanna and stuff like that, you know, everybody knows. We got our Dole Whips again, so those are about 20 bucks each. Delicious though. I strongly recommend, if you've never had one, you definitely gotta try one. It's sort of like a Vegas tradition for us now. Whenever we come here and sit by the pool, we always have to have a Dole Whip. I am surprised how quiet it was down there. Like I said, Cody did talk to one of the bartenders who said he thinks that maybe around May things should start to pick up, but for us, like, it was ideal. I mean, I'm in my 30s, like I'm not looking to party. I'm looking to kind of just relax by the pool, just because we are so busy when we're in Vegas. We've been here for over a week now. So just to, you know, we're walking around, we're going crazy. It's nice to have a morning to kind of just sit by the pool, relax, take a little dip, and just, you know, get a little bit of sun and everything. If you are looking to party, there is the IU Day Club, which again, not my cup of tea, but anyway, they do have a lot of like DJs and things like that as well. So you do have that option, but otherwise this pool is more mixed use. I mean, there's families down there. There is a separate kids pool that anybody can use, but just, you know, it's a bit more shallow. There's some like fountains and things like that, and just be prepared that you will be hanging out with kids. I still will suggest try and get there early. The pool does open at 9. I always think that it's just best to get down there maybe even a little bit beforehand. I know at the, you know, other pools we've been to, we literally had to line up before it even opened, and then everyone kind of just scrambles for the loungers and everything. Here we didn't have that problem. Like I said, we went there even, you know, an hour or so after, and everything was still fine. There was still plenty of chairs. Even as I'm looking now, I mean, the pool's been open for over 3 hours. There's still a ton of places to sit. Whether it's a quiet time, I don't know, but for me, I really like that actually. I've been really, you know, surprised and impressed overall with Resorts World, I must say. There's a separate video that I'm gonna be talking about our stay here in the Conrad Tower. We are in a, you know, 1-bedroom suite here, which is absolutely gorgeous. So there will be another video talking about that. So make sure you keep your eyes out for that one. If it's, I usually post the room tours first, and then I usually post like a pool video after. So anyway, keep your eyes open. I will leave a link below, you know, once that video is out, just to make sure you guys are able to check that as well. A couple of restaurant views as well from this resort, so make sure you check those out. If you guys have any other questions, please do not hesitate to leave them below. It's helpful to other travelers because they probably have the same questions as you do. It's also really helpful for me because any interaction you have with my videos, with your liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, all helps with YouTube algorithm. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. There's a button down in the corner there. If you hit that, it's totally free for you and really helps me keep delivering this free content to you. Anyway, this has been Daniel with Spotlight, Viva Las Vegas, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.